Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C3 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So firstly we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so simply tap on it, and as you can see all we have to do right now is simply tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course you can remove only one of it just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and you can remove all of them one by one. But if you'd like to do it automatically, or if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing data, all you have to do is simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we can remove browsing history, so the list we just saw, or cookies and site data and cached images and files, and after tapping on advanced we can also remove for example saved passwords, autofill form data and site settings. So all you have to do in order to remove all of those things, you have to make sure that they are marked like here. What's more, we can change the time range from all time to, for example, last 7 days. So let me pick this option and just tap on clear data. Just tap on clear right now. And as you can see, the history has been cleared successfully, so it means that we just removed all the things we marked previously. So actually that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your REALME C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.